Okay, guys, so we're going to continue, right? On the previous video, we learned how to take this model, express it into a fraction. On this video, we're going to continue it by turning it into a decimal and a percent. The first thing we need to do is draw 4 lines. Okay, make a bracket. A line across 3 lines going up and down. And we're going to fill in the acronym, the strategy, MOM. Fred don't play. Now the mom, you can't read it too well, sorry about that, but that means mom right there. Mom, Fred don't play. Okay. Now what does that mean? Well, mom means model. Alright. Fred means F for fraction. Don't means D for decimals. And P means for percent. Okay? So we're gonna represent our models, represent our fractions here, represent the decimal here, and the play. So this is how we do it. Let's go and put our model in, okay? So I'm gonna color coordinate everything, right? We're gonna put our model right here, okay? So we know how a model looks. We're gonna turn it into a fraction. Now we already know what the fraction is. It's 3/4, yes, okay? Now we want to turn it into a decimal. How do we do that? Well, we're gonna use a calculator. And the calculator, we're gonna punch in the numbers, right? I want to punch in 3 divided by 3 divided by 4. Remember guys, this fraction bar means to divide. So we're going to do 3 divided by 4. So when I punch in these keys in my calculator, 3 divided by 4 equals, right? Once I punch this in, guys, what's going to happen? Well, I'm going to get my answer 0.75. Yes? Okay, I'm going to get 0.75. Now I want to turn this, now I have my decimal. 0.75 is my decimal. But now I want to turn it into a percent. I want to transition it to a percent. How do I do that? I want to turn it to a percent. How do I do that? So the way I do it is I'm going to drink Dr. Pepper. Remember we guys talked about that? We're not going, I mean, you can drink a Dr. Pepper, but the reason why I say Dr. Pepper, we say Dr. Pepper is because we use the acronyms D2P, right? Dr. Pepper, right? Right? That means I want to go from a decimal to a percent. We need to move this decimal 2 spaces to the right, and then we can put a percent sign. Okay? So let's do that. Okay, put a decimal, we'll go twice, and I'm going to put a percent sign. That's what we mean by Dr. Pepper, D2P. I have a decimal, I'll move it to the right 2 times, and put a percent sign. Easy. So let's go ahead and put our decimal right there. Right? I'm going to put my decimal right there, yes. And I'm going to go ahead and get this one and move it over twice. And then I'm going to go ahead and draw in my percent sign. Now, I'm not going to leave it like that. I'm going to clean it up. Let's go for 75%. So there you go, guys. We went from a model, right, to a fraction. This fraction, 3/4, represents this model. We converted this fraction to a decimal by using the calculator. And I divided the numerator into the denominator, 3 divided by 4. I put 3 divided by 4 equals, I got 0.75. And then I'm going to transition that into a percent. And the way it is, I drink Dr. Pepper. I move my decimal twice. 1, 2, right? And I'll do the same thing here. 1, 2, put the percent sign. And I clean it up, and now I have 75%. That's how we transition. That's how we go from a model to a fraction to a decimal and percent. Now we can do that for any model, any fraction, any decimal, any percent. Hopefully this helps, guys.